Benton. This train is for Morganstown. The next station is Port Benton.
Platform 12 for the 11:08 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria. Calling at Coxley, Bowden, Angel Pass, St Helens Bridge, Stepford East.
Welcome on board this waterline service to Morganstown. Calling at Port Benton, Morganstown Docks and Morganstown. The next station is Port Benton. We will shortly be arriving at Port Benton. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Waterline service to Morganstown. Calling at Morganstown Docks and Morganstown. This train is formed of 2 coaches.
This is Port Benton. This train is for Morganstown. The next station is Morganstown Docks. Welcome on board this waterline service to Morganstown. We will shortly be arriving at Morganstown Docks. Change here for services to Greenslade. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Service to Morganstown. Calling at Morganstown only. This train is formed of 2 coaches.
This is Morganstown Docks. This train is for Morganstown. The next station is Morganstown. Welcome on board this waterline service to Morganstown. The next station is Morganstown. We will shortly be arriving at Morganstown. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This train terminates here. All change, please. This is Morganstown. This train terminates here. All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us today.